Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application, and the topic of our video is how to start a live video on TikTok without enough subscribers. So we heard that to start lives we need at least 1,000 subscribers. So as you can see, we have created a new account, a new channel, and let's check if we have this option or not yet. As you can see, now we are on our profile page, and to shoot a new video, to start live, let's pick on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and check. So we have the normal mode, camera mode to create some TikTok, story mode and templates. Okay, so now we don't have any lives option. So we have a cool solution for you. If you don't have this feature too, let's report a problem. Let's contact with the support and to write text with about your problem to add this special live option for your account. So tap on the three lines icon at the top corner, screen corner. As you can see, we are on our profile page too. Again, so after picking on this three lines icon, let's choose settings and privacy. Let's scroll down the list and pick on the report a problem option. Later, let's choose live. Amazing! Now you have to tap on the top button again at the right upper screen corner. Repeat this option. Amazing! Now as you can see, we have a special panel where we can write about our problem to report this problem. So we'll paste our created text where we talk about that we don't have this live option, but we want to have it on our account and we please to fix this problem. Of course, you can add your additional images or video you made, but we don't have this. After, let's tap on the report problem and wait some time. We are sure that this support will solve your problem and will add this live option to your account. So if this video was needful, useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Of course, don't forget about our TikTok, and thanks guys for this watching. Bye bye.